Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can stop receiving emails from Temu. In order to do so, here we are in the Temu app for Android, and what we're looking for is at the bottom in the menu, if you select where it says You, then up at the top right hand corner, you're going to see the settings icon. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And then from here, what we're looking for is under notifications. We're going to go ahead and select notifications. And then you could see that right now we have our promotions option. That's the primary one that we're concerned with. We're going to go ahead and click edit on that. And then from here, you could see that the email option is currently toggled on. We're going to go ahead and turn that off. And then from there, we're just going to close out of this screen. And if you want to turn off any other emails, you can go through the variety of options here and click edit and follow the same process. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.